a sage was doing penance to Lord Brahma. After years of penance, Lord Brahma appears before him and grants him a wish to ask for anything he wants. Unknown to the sage, a demon was watching them. The sage asked Lord Brahma to give him the Chintamani diamond, which gives lot of worldly knowledge. Brahma tells him that the diamond not only gives knowledge but makes every wish of its owner come true, and hence it should be handled very carefully.
प्रभु, मैं सांसारिक मोह माया त्याग चुका हूँ। राजपाट, धन दौलत का मुझे कोई लोभ नहीं, किंतु प्रभु अब भी एक लोभ है, ज्ञान का। प्रभु, आपके द्वारा निर्माणित चिंतामणि यदि आप मुझे प्रदान करेंगे तो उसके द्वारा विश्व की हर विद्या और समस्त ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हो जाएगी।
अवश्य मुनिवर। चिंतामणि में ज्ञान के साथ साथ इच्छाएं प्रदान करने की भी शक्ति है, अतः आपको चिंतामणि को बड़ी हिफाजत के साथ रखना होगा, जिससे कभी किसी के द्वारा इसका दुरुपयोग न हो।
As soon as Brahma leaves, the demon snatches the diamond from the sage. Using the powers of the diamond, the demon transforms the sage into a stone. The demon then sets out to capture Indralok, the heaven. Before Lord Indra could punish the demon, he uses the diamond again and sends all the gods out of the heaven onto the earth.
बहुत आराम कर लिया इन देवों ने स्वर्ग में, अब इंद्र का सिंहासन मेरा होगा।
इस दानव का अंत यही होगा।
मैं इन देवों की पराजय चाहता हूँ। ये सब स्वर्गलोक से दूर पृथ्वीलोक के जंगलों में निवास करेंगे। जब तक मेरे हाथ में चिंतामणि है, मुझे कोई परास्त नहीं कर सकता।
The gods think that it is impossible for them to defeat the demon, and hence decide to send Krishna and Balram to defeat him. Krishna and Balram head towards the heaven and find more demons guarding the entrance. They beat up the demons and head inside.
कौन है? तुझे तो मैं अभी
They find that the demon is holding onto the diamond and decide that as long as he has the diamond with him, they cannot defeat him. Krishna and Balram wait for the right moment for the demon to put the diamond aside, but the demon instead keeps holding on to it. The boys notice that the demon is creating more wealth using the diamond and think that maybe they can take advantage of his greed of wealth. The boys request Narada to bring them a basket full of similar looking diamonds.
हे नारद मुनि, कृपया दर्शन दे।
नारायण नारायण। कहिए श्री कृष्ण, मुझे कैसे याद किया? वहाँ सब देव आप दोनों पर उम्मीद बांधे बैठे हैं। क्या उन्हें शुभ समाचार देने की घड़ी आ गई?
तनिक धीरज रखिए मुनिवर, चिंतामणि अवश्य वापस मिल जाएगा, परंतु उसके लिए हमें आपसे कुछ सहायता चाहिए। कृपया शीघ्र ही हमें एक पोटली भर हीरे और अनमोल मोती ला दीजिए।
जो आज्ञा। नारायण नारायण।
The demon goes out into the garden to get some fresh air, and Krishna and Balram get an idea. They lay all the diamonds along the path of his walk. In the greed to become more rich, the demon picks up all the similar looking diamonds. When Krishna and Balram come face to face with him, he drops all the diamonds on the floor. To defeat the boys, he tries to search for the powerful diamond amongst the pool of diamonds. Before he is able to find the diamond, Krishna and Balram overpower him and defeat him. The boys then go back to the earth and turn the sage back from a stone into a normal person. And the gods go back to heaven happily.